Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite caption quantifiers. So we are yet again back with another set, and in today's set we are going to discuss a complex arrangement, a four variable arrangement. And like always, before we go, we have started this special course for the people who fear DILR, and if you are interested in this, please, you are most welcome to join us. Okay. So let's move to our set 54 of the series and let's read what it says. So Amazon, Boomer, Crawlers, Dabblers, and Teaser are all the warehousing corporations specializing in handling different type of cargoes with rubber products, elastomers, operative tool, hydraulics, and so on. So हमारे पास 5 तरह के स्टोर्स हैं और वो 5 तरह के कार्गोस को हैंडल करते हैं. These warehouses are all located in quite in different area, in same city in different area. That Dento Point, Pinjo Point, Pinto Point, Mingo Point, Chinno Point. So these are the 5 points, and they import their cargo from Calicut, Erode, Agra, Coimbatore, Salem, not necessarily in the same order. So this is what is basically given to me. Now, only one of the warehousing corporation has its name, location, and name of the city where it receives cargo starting from the same letter. So, out of 4 variables, 3 are starting from same letter. So, now what do I know? How should I make my data? I know that there are 5 types of store, A, B, C, D, E, and then they are importing from somewhere, then they are located somewhere, and they are specializing in a cargo. So, it has to be some table. So, these are 5 warehouses, 5 locations, 5 everything. So this is how I am going to portray it. So there are 5 variables that I know. Now let's analyze the first point. It was given only one of the warehousing corporation has its name, its location in the city, and the name of the city where it received cargoes starting from same letter. So we are not talking about the specialization, but rest 3 variables should start from the same letter, from the same initial. So what can that be? Can that be Amazon? A is not here, so it cannot be that. Boomers, B is not here, not here, not here. In fact, B is nowhere. B is nowhere common. Okay. Crawlers, C and C, and C at 2 places. So C is probable. If I talk about D, D is here, but D is not here. D is not probable. Easers are E is not here, and it's therefore not possible. So only possibility is crawlers. So for crawlers, this has to be in the Chino point. Crawlers have to be located in Chino point because हमें दिया हुआ है कि crawlers के साथ आपका एक वेरिएबल कॉमन रहेगा, लोकेशन या कुछ भी, तो यहाँ पे आएगा Chino point. ठीक है. अब इंपोर्ट भी सेम जगह से करेंगे. सी से स्टार्ट होने वाली 2 चीजें, कैलिकट एंड कोयम्बटूर. So it can either be Calicut, or it can be Coimbatore. It can be anything. Okay, it can be anything. Now, this was my first point. This is done. This is done now. Okay, let's read the second one. Only one warehousing corporation has its name, cargo hydrant, special location, and city from which it is, which means all the variables starting from different letters. And which is that? That is B, because B was the only city which has all different. B is not here, B is not here, B is not here, B is not here. For rest, I know that A can be this, crawlers can be found here, crawlers or dabbers can be found here, easers can be found here. So for rest, all of them, I know that one of the variables can be same, but for B, I cannot find anything same even if I want to. So for Boomer, all the initials have to be different. Okay, so this is what I can understand from this. Okay, what else is given to me? Next line says the remaining warehousing corporation have at least one of the parameters, cargo handling, location in the city, and city from which it received the cargo has the same letter with their name also. For all the rest, which mean Amazon, Dabblers, and Eraser, have one of these variable, at least one of their variable, same initials. The same initial goes with one of the variables for all other. Okay, so this is a very good hint. Let's try to build upon this. So what can I make out of it? For Amazon, what is the common thing? Amazon is here. Amazon is here. Amazon is not here. Amazon is not. A is not here. A is here. So for Amazon, import city has to be Agra only because there is no other common periphery. So similarly, if I talk, D is all different, that I know. If I talk about D, Dabblers, D is not here, D is here, Dento location, Dento point. and nothing else is mentioned. Okay, done. This is done. And then what is next? Easers. So for easers, cargo can be elastomers. Okay, it is possible. Is there anything else? Into this is not. Okay, it can also be erode. So it is one of them has to be here. It is possible that both are here. Let us see and let us see what happens next. Let's read the next point. Develers received cargo from erode. Develers received from erode. So if develers received from erode, erode cannot be here. So this is definitely gone. This point is taken care of. Amazon is located at Mingo Point. So Amazon is located at Mingo Point. Okay. But does not specialize in handling rubber product and elastomers. So it is not specializing in handling rubber products or elastomers. So it is neither rubber nor elastomers. Okay. Boomer in hydraulics. So Boomer specializes in hydraulics. So it cannot be hydraulic also. So if this cannot be REH, it cannot be R, cannot be E, cannot be H. It can either be operative or sanitary. Then it can be either be operative or it can be sanitary. Okay, let's see. The warehouse which received its cargo from Agra, so which we are talking about Amazon. So Amazon does not handle sanitary. So Amazon does not handle sanitary, which means it must be then operative tools. Then we are left with what? Sanitary and rubber. And now I don't have any other information. I don't have anything else to sort any other information. Now this might come to me as a complex thing, but this is what it is because I have exhausted every point possible. So it can either be, as I mentioned, rubber or sanitary, and similarly it can either be sanitary or rubber. Location left are Mingo, Chinto, Dento are Mingo, Chinto, Dento are taken. So it can either be Kinto, Kinjo or Pinto. It can either be Pinto or Kinjo. So these are the possibilities. And for import, Boomer can get it from either Calicut or Coimbatore or Salem, the third location, because nothing is fixed here. No, I don't know if Calicut will come here or Coimbatore. So basis this, I have to take all the possibilities, and same for this: Calicut, Coimbatore, and Salem. These are the three variables. Let's move to the question and let's see what we can fetch out of it. Which are the knowing warehouse corporation specialists in operative tools? Operative tools, Amazon. Answer for the first question is Amazon. Okay, let's read the second point. This is Amazon, I know. Second, if crawlers does not receive it cargo from Coimbatore. So crawlers are not receiving from Coimbatore. So they are receiving from Calicut. So if they are receiving from Calicut, Calicut is gone from here, Calicut is gone from here. Then where does easers receive it cargo? Easer receive it cargo from either Coimbatore or Salem, which is option number 4. This is the correct answer. And then third, the warehouse which specializes in handling elastomers is located in which city? It is located in Pinto or Kinjo both. So can be in either. So answer is cannot be. So this completes my set that we had, and I hope you understood that how to handle different variables and how it is not always necessary to get everything permuted till the last point. Okay, so if you like what you saw, so please join us as soon as possible. Be the part of this legacy. Thank you so much. Have a great day.